I was born into a farming family, and my parents worked year long in the rice field. They work under hot sun, in the rain, or in the cool weather, and at every time of day. They always told me, "You keep learning. Don't worry about the money. I will call you for you the school fee." But the farming very difficult to earn the money because we depend on the road, depend on the weather, depend on the market value of the rice when we sell the rice. It was very difficult for my parents at that time to write me and provide me with under education. I saw I saw this and it put me a loss. I saw my parents work very hard and make a little bit money for cover the family. So I learned a lot from him. I also need to work hard, need to uh, saving money, and this they keep pushing me, keep going on, keep doing it. And now, currently, I know my salary for 1 month is the same as what my family earn working for 4 months in the right field. This is the fry for motivated. Thank you.